As the year cruises to a close, get ready for an exciting take on aviation-related stocks. See, ACHR Aviation is already famous for its midnight electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft. What's less well known is ACHR works with Palantir, the AI and enterprise data analytics juggernaut, to build the AI foundation for this next generation of aviation technologies, both for aircraft manufacturing and operations, whereby Palantir's Foundry and AIP are used to scale ACHR's production capabilities at its Georgia and Silicon Valley facilities, and develop AI for software in other areas of aviation. For instance, enhancing air traffic control, movement management, and route planning, with the goal of improving efficiency, safety, affordability, and sustainability. These are strikingly similar goals as Surf Air Mobility, a company that's maneuvering into position to become a major player in the growing regional air mobility market, which is projected to reach up to $115 billion by 2035. It operates two main segments: air mobility, offering scheduled services and an on-demand charter marketplace, and air technology, which develops aviation software and electrification powertrain technology. Its goal is to revolutionize regional air travel with electrified aircraft, reducing costs and emissions while unlocking new growth opportunities. Surf Air's acquisition of Southern Airways in 2023 expanded its reach across the U.S., including government contracts, while its SurfOS platform is designed to optimize operations for air carriers, brokers, and aircraft owners. This AI-powered software is meant to streamline scheduling, pricing, and operational tasks, improving efficiency and profitability in the industry. As the platform is in beta with customers giving feedback, Surf sees SurfOS getting fully commercialized by 2026. Like ACHR, Surf works with Palantir, benefiting from Palantir's Foundry platform, which could make sense of industry data gathered from Surf to drive efficiency and profitability across the wider aviation industry's airspace as a whole. Surf's reach is extensive, having relationships with over 400 regional air operators who have operated charter flights via its marketplace. These operators are expected to form the initial customer base for SurfOS software. Additionally, Surf has interline agreements with major airlines like United, American, Alaska, and Hawaiian Airlines, extending its reach to their combined 430 million annual passengers. Oh, and another thing, ACHR also works with United Airlines to develop air taxi networks in major U.S. cities. All the more reason Palantir could be a good mutual friend to bring Surf and ACHR together for an amazing symbiotic relationship. Stranger things have happened, you know. It's also not too outlandish to suggest ACHR could acquire Surf to create a wider network and gain more valuable resources plus information that's already associated with its established partner Palantir. Something similar happened not too long ago when Joby Aviation, ACHR's frenemy in the electric VTOL arena, acquired Blade Air Mobility's passenger business for approximately $125 million, helping to accelerate electric air taxi commercialization for urban passenger service. Blade's medical division, which transports organs and provides time-critical medical logistics, was excluded from the deal and remains a separate public company rebranded as Strata Critical Medical, which will partner with Joby for medical transport operations. Joby will become the preferred VTOL partner for Strata's organ transport business, demonstrating the broader applicability of its aircraft in high-value, mission-critical operations. The acquisition is advantageous because it gives Joby immediate access to Blade's network, which served over 50,000 passengers in 2024 from 12 urban terminals. Blade's established infrastructure is located in key urban markets across the U.S. and Europe, including dedicated terminals and lounges at New York City hubs such as JFK, Newark, the West Side and East Side of Manhattan, and Wall Street. By leveraging Blade's operational expertise and loyal customer base, Joby expects to accelerate commercialization, reduce customer acquisition costs, and transition passengers from conventional helicopters to its next-generation electric aircraft. Joby will integrate its ElevateOS software, designed to manage high-tempo air taxi operations, into Blade's passenger service to enhance efficiency and customer experience. The deal also provides Joby a platform to launch commercial operations in Dubai next year and support subsequent global expansion. The transaction's structure allows Joby to pay cash or stock, with $35 million of the total price tied to performance milestones and retention of key employees. To propel passenger service even further, Joby and Uber plan to integrate Blade's passenger services into the Uber app as early as 2026, allowing Uber users to book Blade flights directly through the app, providing access to Blade's established network. The move builds on Joby's ongoing partnership with Uber, which began in 2019, and Joby's acquisition of Uber's Elevate division in 2021. By leveraging Blade's infrastructure, landing points, and dedicated passenger lounges, Joby aims to accelerate the launch of its VTOL air taxis in global markets, not only in Dubai, Los Angeles, and New York, but also the UK and Japan, particularly as integration into Uber's app is expected to increase brand visibility and market access, supporting Joby's broader vision for urban air mobility and sustainable, efficient transport. So if ACHR were to take similar action to merge with Surf, it could reap similar rewards. Not to mention both ACHR and Joby are looking at having their aircraft and technology serve dual use for civilian and military, with both already having ties to Air Force testing. And since Palantir is intertwined with the military, it serves as another common point between ACHR and Surf Air Mobility. So what do you think? How realistic would it be for ACHR to buy Surf? Remember, this is just entertaining speculation for now. Nothing concrete has been reached, let alone the emergence of any rumors from market radio chatter. Oh, how amusing that is. Remember, a few weeks ago, there was supposed evidence Tesla was going to be teaming up with ACHR to get into electric aviation because of videos seemingly showing Tesla cars with electric aircraft? Yeah, that didn't go anywhere. So share your thoughts on this theory about Surf possibly merging with ACHR, and as always, for more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.